Hello, Rosanna and Natoli with tonight's weather. With August just around the corner, we're edging closer to the end of winter. While the Bureau's predicting a colder than average month across our region, we can still enjoy a slight reprieve from the cold, with warmer nights on the way later this weekend, at least for a little while. Temperatures today across the Sunshine Coast region. The airport dropped to a crisp 6 degrees this morning before reaching 21 today. Down to 8 in Tewantin. Gympie, a cold start, just 4 degrees. On the satellite loop now, specks of high cloud for exposed coastal areas. But aside from that, it's been fairly clear the whole day right across Queensland. The clouds we can see are fast moving. They're not carrying any notable shower activity. On today's chart, winds are easing slightly as the low in the Tasman is moving further east right off the screen. Meanwhile, a high sitting over Victoria is extending a high pressure ridge right into Queensland. Now that is what's pushing the dry, cool air into the state. On tomorrow's chart, the high starts moving over New South Wales and it's going to more towards the east coast. That's going to maintain the ridge across Queensland and it should move offshore by the end of the weekend, bringing some warmer conditions. Now to the latest from the Bureau. The boating forecast for Sunshine Coast waters. A strong wind warning is in effect for tomorrow, with south-southeasterlies expected to reach up to 30 knots at times, seas to 2.5 metres. Tonight's the new moon, which means the tidal variation is peaking. Tomorrow we'll have a mid-morning high for Mooloolaba shortly before 9. For the southeast coastal district, clear, mostly sunny tomorrow with southeasterly winds. 9 to 19 for Maroochydore, down to 9 overnight in Nambour, so another cool one on the way. Gympie, 7 to 19 degrees. Looking ahead for Maroochydore, showers are possible as the weekend wraps up and we start off the working week. They should hopefully clear by Wednesday, though. Other than that, we'll have partly cloudy skies, light winds and warmer nights on the way. Now, as the sun sets on another working week, let's enjoy this golden sky over the waters of Caloundra. Thank you very much to Heather for sending this sensational shot my way. Don't forget to send me all your favourites. I love to see them. Now it's over to Robbie Sherwell with the Surf Report.
Thanks, Rosanna. We've had a couple of beautiful days across the coast over the last couple of days with around that metre mark of swell on the open beaches and relatively warm conditions and clean conditions. Now, it looks a little bit different tomorrow. The winds are going to swing south-southeast tomorrow morning sometime and they're going to get up around that 20 knot plus mark before they drop off to between 15 and 20 knots in the afternoon, according to the forecast. On Sunday, the winds will be a bit lighter again. The swell should pick up tomorrow to around that 1, possibly even up to 1.5 metres on the open beaches. It will be a little bit smaller on Sunday. Tomorrow, the better place we're checking with a high tide both days between 9 and 9:30. Southern corner of Alexandra Bay, your biggest wave, around Coolum and the Bays. Down along the Maroochydore stretch through to Alex, the Bluff, Point Cartwright. On the southern end, check Dickey Beach, Ann Street and Moffats. For swimming, the water is hovering around 20 degrees. Make sure the beach is open as tragedies do occur and unpatrolled stretches only swim between the red and yellow flags. Have a wonderful weekend across the coast. Now it's back to you, Rob.
And Robbie, thank you, mate. Golden hour, don't you love those colours? Have a great weekend. Enjoy the games on 7. See you Monday night. Good night.